Welcome to evadon maths class. We have 3 initial questions before us, and without wasting much time, we should solve 2 of them and leave the third one for you to attempt in the comment section. So students, are we ready? So, solution. The first one there is 2 raised to the power of x equals 64. The first thing you do is to try to leave the right hand side in base 2. This is an equation, and in every equation we have the left hand side and the right hand side of every equation. Now the left hand side is 2 raised to the power of x and the right hand side is 64. For us to get the value of x, we have to leave the right hand side in base 2. And how do we achieve that? You first of all write what I'm going to do next. Leave the right hand side of the equation in base 2. How do we achieve that? We can achieve that by simply taking your 64, using your continuous division method. You ask yourself, what can go? There's a divisor that can go. Divisor is 2 into 64 is 32. 2 into 32 is 16. With a good knowledge of a timetable, you should know what I'm doing. 8 and 2 into 8, 4. 2 can still go 2, and then finally 2 into 2, 1. Now we have how many 2's here? We have 6 2's, and those 2's are going to be written in the index form that we have 2 raised to the power of x equals to, we're going to replace the 64 with the new value 2 raised to the power of 6. Now, since we can achieve that by making the basis of both sides the same, then we can carefully strike them out, and you have your x to be equal to 6. Now we can simply check if you are correct. You know the left hand side of the equation is 2 raised to the power of x. So when we replace the x with 6, you can see that 2 raised to the power of 6 is equal to 64 actually. So you can see that you are correct. Now to attempt the second one there is 4 raised to the power of x minus 16 equal to 0. Now the first thing you do is to write the 4 raised to the power of x, and then you write your equal to sign, you write your 0, and then you move minus 16 to the other side of the equation to give me plus 16, which gives you your final value first of all to be equal to 4 raised to the power of x equal to 16. That way you have got to a stage. The next stage now is to make both bases the same. How do we achieve that? Can you make the right hand side to be the same with the basis of the left hand side, or can you take both bases to 2? No, when you look at it, you can take the base 16 to base 4. You can take 16 to base 4 rather. How do we take 16 to base 4? Using the same method. Bring your 16 here, you use 4. 4 into 16 is 4. 4 can still go. 4 into 4, 1. So we have 4 raised to the power of 2. We can as well take both bases, both sides to base 2, the left hand side and the right hand side. We can take them to base 2 if you so wish, and if you give you the same answer, you can try that at home and let me know your result. So we have 4 raised to the power of x and 4 raised to the power of what? 2. After leaving both sides in base 4, we achieve this. So carefully strike them out, and that we have a final answer of x to be equal to what? 2. So I believe you can attempt the third one and leave your answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and follow for more.